What time is your lunch break?
At 1 o'clock.
What time do you finish work?
At 6 o'clock.
What time do you get home?
At 7 o'clock.
What time do you have dinner?
At 8 o'clock.
What time do you go to bed?
At 11 o'clock.
Do you have a fixed schedule?
Yes, mostly.
Is your schedule busy?
Yes, quite busy.
Do you work?
Yes, I do.
What is your job?
I am a nurse.
Where do you work?
At the city hospital.
Do you like your job?
Yes, very much.
How long have you worked there?
For 5 years.
Is it a difficult job?
Yes, but rewarding.
Do you work full-time?
Yes, I do.
How many hours do you work?
40 hours a week.
Do you work on weekends?
Sometimes.
Do you get along with your colleagues?
Yes, we are a good team.
Do you earn a good salary?
Yes, it is okay.
Do you save money?
Yes, every month.
Do you have a bank account?
Yes, I do.
Do you use cash or card?
Mostly card.
Do you pay bills online?
Yes, all of them.
Do you have a budget?
Yes, I do.
Is life expensive in your city?
Yes, quite expensive.
Do you spend money on clothes?
Sometimes.
What do you spend most money on?
Rent and food.
Are you good with money?
Yes, I think so.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
How do you get to work?
By bus.
Is there a bus stop nearby?
Yes, very close.
Do you use the metro?
Sometimes.
Do you ever take a taxi?
Rarely.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I do.
Do you use it often?
In summer.
Can you drive?
Yes, I have a license.
Do you like public transport?
It is okay.
What is your favorite food?
Italian food.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Can you cook well?
Yes, I think so.
What do you usually cook?
Pasta and salads.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I do.
Do you like fish?
Yes, very much.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, every day.
What do you drink most?
Water and tea.
Do you drink alcohol?
Sometimes wine.
What kind of restaurants do you like?
Italian and Asian.
Do you like fast food?
Not really.
What is your favorite restaurant?
A small Italian place nearby.
Do you order delivery?
Sometimes.
Do you like coffee shops?
Yes, I love them.
What do you order at a cafe?
Coffee and cake.
Do you eat breakfast out?
Rarely.
Do you prefer lunch or dinner?
Dinner.
Do you tip at restaurants?
Yes, usually 10%.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
Where do you buy groceries?
At the supermarket.
How often do you go shopping?
Once a week.
Do you shop online?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you buy online?
Clothes and books.
Do you use shopping lists?
Yes, always.
Do you compare prices?
Yes, I do.
Do you like sales?
Yes, I love them.
Do you buy brands?
Sometimes.
What shops do you like?
Department stores.
What size do you wear?
Medium.
What is your favorite color to wear?
Blue.
Do you like dresses?
Yes, I love them.
Do you wear jeans?
Yes, often.
What shoes do you prefer?
Comfortable ones.
Do you wear jewelry?
Yes, earrings and rings.
Do you have a lot of clothes?
Enough.
Do you follow fashion?
A little.
Where do you buy clothes?
At the mall or online.
Do you like your style?
Yes, I do.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny.
Do you like this weather?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite season?
Spring.
Do you like summer?
Yes, but not too hot.
Do you like winter?
Not really.
Does it rain a lot here?
Yes, quite a lot.
Does it snow in winter?
Sometimes.
What do you wear when it rains?
A raincoat and boots.
Do you carry an umbrella?
Yes, always.
Do you check the weather forecast?
Yes, every morning.
How do you feel today?
I feel fine, thank you.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I am.
Do you get sick often?
No, rarely.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Do you take any medicine?
No, I don't.
Do you go to the doctor regularly?
Yes, once a year.
Do you have health insurance?
Yes, I do.